Today, let's take a look at Schluter's Kerdi drain. This is the trough drain. This is the 72-inch, the largest of their drains. You can get smaller ones. There's all different sizes, but I'm going to show you the large one here. So you get this big box. You do get to pick the drain cover, which comes separately. This is just the rough end portion. So you're getting a flange to go around your control valve. You're getting another flange that goes around the actual shower head. Now this goes around the actual nipple that comes out of the wall, and this just adds that little bit of extra protection. We've got the connection from the drain to your 2-inch ABS, which would then go down into a P-trap. We've got some corners. You got inside and outside corners. Obviously you get a manual here on how to put it all together, so really easy to use. Now let's get to the actual drain trough itself. So we have a job coming up that we're going to be using this on. So I just wanted to show this to you before we actually install it. So it's really well packed. This is all metal construction. We have to be very careful with it so we don't actually damage this membrane. But it's right in here. I don't really want to take the tape off yet. We'll just do a little peek just in there. So you can see the drain. That's the trough style. So I got to leave it all put together because when we install this, it all has to be taped up. You drop it in and then you open it up and get it in place. So it's really nice. It's fairly light. You can see on the bottom here, all metal construction. There's a little grate inside that comes with it that just keeps all the hair and stuff out of the sewer system. And then you would take your connector, and this goes over top. If you're having trouble connecting this onto the pipe, a little pro tip, use some dish soap, like some Palmolive or something like that. Just put it on your finger, wrap it around. It'll slip right on, tighten it up. The soap will just go away after a while, so you don't need to worry about it. It makes the job a lot easier trying to get these on. Trough drains are all the rage. You know, you've got that nice walk-in shower. There's no center drain. It's just up against the wall. The water can just flow in there nicely, and it's all across. So you can actually get different grates, some that are metal, some that are tiled. I prefer the tiled version, so you just have 2 little slots and the water just disappears into there. So I can't wait to get this thing installed. It's gonna be a really nice shower. All right guys, hope the video was helpful. Until next time, keep on crushing it, and we'll catch you later.